The Howod pocket hole jig is an ideal solution for a fast, accurate, and reliable way of joining all kinds of woods, including some synthetic and composite materials as well. Setup is fast and easy, great for novices, hobbyists, and professionals alike. This jig will make any project easy to prepare and quick to assemble with sturdy results. This jig will help you get the most out of your woodworking projects and give you that professional fit and finish in your final products every time. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Garden Review present Howod Pocket Hole Jig Kit. Let's get started. Easy adjustment. Simply loosen the thumb screws to release the mark slider, set the slider to the thickness of the material to be drilled, and then retighten the thumb screws. Slider markings are in both imperial and metric measurements for all project needs. Fast and easy. No complex measuring or math is required, making it perfect for novices, hobbyists, and pros alike. This pocket hole jig makes the assembly of any project quick and easy, leaving no visible screw holes. It will take your woodworking projects to a more professional level. Accurate, durable, and reliable. High-quality all-metal construction is much more durable than plastics and blast-filled nylon alternatives. Hardened steel drilling sleeves provide consistency and accuracy in your drilling applications. 2 high-quality 3/8 titanium-plated step drill bits for durability. 1 long and 1 short, for different thicknesses of materials. It's a solid performer for any project you may have. Versatile. This pocket hole jig will help you drill perfect pocket holes every time in hardwood, softwood, and sheet materials to quickly construct cabinetry, furniture, and other types of joinery with ease. Quick, tool-free adjustment and imperial and metric markings on this jig eliminate the need for extra steps or measuring devices. What you will receive: 1 pocket hole jig, 2 to 3/8 titanium-plated step drill bits, 1 additional slider for materials thicker than 2 inches or 50.8 millimeters, 2 magnetic square drive bits, 6 and 4 long pocket hole screws, and wooden hole plugs, 2 drill stop collars, 4 Allen wrenches, a handy plastic card to assist in positioning the drill stop collars, 1 wrench.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.